This is my drawing of Frosty the Snowman, and today I'll guide you through each of the steps so that you could draw this yourself. So grab a pen or pencil and let's get started. Let's begin this lesson in the center of our page and draw an oval for the nose. We're going to start right in the middle. We're going to go out along the sides, and then back up towards the top. Now in the center along the top we're going to add a fold. We're going to come down and then up like a U. Let's tuck the eyes in behind, leaving a gap in the center. Let's start on the left. We're going to draw an oval. We're going to go up towards the top of the eye, come around the side, and then back in towards the side of the nose. Let's move over towards the right and do the same thing, going up towards the same height, come down along the side, and then in. Along the side of the nose, along the top, we're going to draw two ovals for the pupils. And we'll fill those pupils in black. Now just underneath the nose, we're going to draw in the mouth. Let's start over on the left side. I'm going to start by curving this in, come down towards the bottom, round this out, and then pull that up towards the right side. Then we'll add a fold on the end. Let's go back to the center. We're going to open up the mouth. We're going to come down and then up. Now along the left side, we're going to draw in the pipe. Let's start up here. We're going to draw a straight angle line going up and then out. Now let's draw the end of the pipe. We're going to step up. We're going to bend this in across that line and then down. Let's go back up to the top. We're going to round this out. Now along the bottom, we're going to draw an oval. Draw a shorter oval going around the side. And then back on the top left, bend this in and then down. Let's add a couple ovals inside for some texture. Now let's finish off the pipe. We're going to take that same line just down below in towards the mouth. Now just above the eyes, we're going to draw a curve for the hat. We're going to start on the left side. We're going to go up and then down. Let's round up the side of the hat, bend this out and then in. Now let's connect the ends with the curve. We're going to come all the way down towards the bottom edge and then back up. Let's add a flower over on the right side. We're going to start with a circle and we'll surround the circle with the petals. Starting from the top, we're going to go all the way around and then in, continue in behind the hat brim, and then go all the way around the right side. Now let's draw the top and side of the hat. Starting back on the left, then it's up and then out. Go to the top of the flower, do the same thing. And we're just going to round up the top of the hat. Let's go back down towards the bottom, add another curve. Now that we finished the hat, let's draw on the side of the head. We're starting on the left side along the bottom corner. We're going to draw a circle going in behind the pipe. Come down below. I'm just going to pull this in towards the neck. Let's go to the right side. We're going to go out, come around, and then in. Now we want to layer the scarf on top of the head. Starting back on the left, we're going to go up. Let's bend that down in the middle to create a fold. Go to the right side, go up, and then tuck that in. Now from these 2 points, we're going to curve the scarf coming down and out towards the right. So let's start with the left side, going down and across. Go to the right, draw that same curve, and then we'll round out the bottom. Let's add those thick stripes. On the top, add another curve, one along the bottom. Now let's go up to the side, underneath the head, we're going to add a fold for the scarf. Coming around and then in. Step back, draw another curve going in behind the front of the scarf. And then along the side, we're going to add 2 curves. Now the back side of the scarf will come underneath, starting on the left, bend this down and out, tuck that in behind, and we'll add 1 curve in the middle. Over on the right side, we're going to have the hand holding the broom. So let's start with the wrist. Start by curving this up, come in, round up the finger and building that back out. Let's add another curve for the center finger. Now 1 more going around towards the bottom of the palm and just bend that up. Let's layer the broom in behind. Starting from the bottom of the hand, we'll draw 2 straight angle lines coming down. Let's round out the bottom. And we're going to continue these 2 lines across the top of the hand, going up. Let's close off the top. Now we're going to draw in the broom, starting from the top corners, bend this out and then up. Bend this up and then out. So it gets wider along the top. And I want to connect the ends with the curve. We're going to add these little V's along the way, just adding 2 And then along the bottom, add 2 lines going across. Let's go to the side of the scarf. We're going to bend the arm, going out, in behind. Continue on the right, going all the way around the hand. Bend the arm, coming up underneath. Now with that arm in place, let's draw on the side of the body. We start on the left side, just underneath the scarf. Bend the body, going out, around, and then in. Let's go above the hand, add a short line. Continue along the bottom, coming down, around, and then in. Now I'm going to leave a gap across the bottom, add a curve in the middle, leave a gap in the center, bend the legs, coming down and in towards the heels. And we're just going to round out the bottom of the feet, going out towards the outside. Let's go back to the left. Round out the foot, go up, and then bend that down, aiming towards the heel. And then underneath the body, we're going to bend the legs, coming in and then down towards the feet. Now I want to raise the arm on the left side, so we start up here on the side of the body, bend the arm going out, and then up towards the wrist. Now let's add in the first finger, stepping in, then it's out, round the finger, and then back in. Let's layer the second finger from the tip, going out, and then in, and then the third finger from the top, coming down towards the thumb. Let's add the thumb, going up, and then back out. And then in the center of the hand, we're going to add the palm, and then go back to the thumb. We're going to bend the arm coming back in towards the side of the scarf. And it'll sign out art and add a splash of color. And that's pretty much it. There's a drawing of Frosty the Snowman. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please be sure to subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single week. I want to thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.